Welcome to Equity Business Solutions, and thank you for taking time to read through our listing and to review this video. So you're in the marketplace looking for tools that will help your firm be more successful in the next tax season. At Equity Business Solutions, we've developed tools that have helped us be successful and to navigate for the last several tax seasons. We're now offering those tools on the marketplace. Let me show you our 990 organizer. This is for nonprofits. We have divided our organizers into two main parts. The first one is for returning clients, which will be much shorter than for a new client or what returning clients were doing last year. We have all their information uploaded into our tax program anyway, so why ask them to go through every question in each section, even if it's just for a review? So what we do is shorten that for them, and let me show you how that works. If they answer the question, are you a returning client, is yes, they go to an instruction page. They answer one question at the bottom about filing an extension. Then we want to know, and we believe that the only change they should have is if they have different contributors that give them more than $5,000 in the last year. If they do, we're asking for them to list their names. And if they need to add more than one, they can do that by adding contributor. Click that button and it repeats. Then they're taken to the last page. Now, on the last page, we always include, if you have any further changes, please reach out to your tax preparer. Discuss those changes, and then any documentation that you would have for those changes, along with your other documents, should be uploaded on this last page in this area here. And that's the short form for returning client. If someone is a new client, they would answer that question no. It takes them to an instructional page again. Then general information. We always include conditional logic with all of our organizers. That's one of the best features, I think, that TaxZone has to offer. And this, they just fill in the blanks. Then we go to filing information. And just to demonstrate how our logic works, I'll show you. If there's not a need for it, we don't use it, of course. And you can see how our questions are structured. We try to be concise, but ask for enough information, rather, that will give your tax preparer what they need. And we hope that it reduces the need to communicate to the taxpayer, your client. And we also hope that that will expedite or speed up the process of completing a return, giving your tax preparer more time to do more, to be more productive. And let me show you all the different sections that we have questions in, and then I can show you each section. But for the new client, of course, there's the welcome, general information, filing information, current officers, directors, trustees, and key employees. And if they need to add more than one, they can click the add more button and it'll repeat. There's independent contractors paid more than $100,000 a year. Program accomplishments, again, $5,000 contributors for the new client. Organization type, and then your uploading documents page. I can briefly show you each page so you can get an idea of how we arrange this. This page is the same as for returning clients. concerning contributors that pay more than $5,000. And then the final page. We're asking if they upload all their documentations in the last section or page of the organizers to do away with any kind of confusion when you have the request to upload in different sections pertaining to different questions. It seemed to be confusing to our clients, and we always printed them out anyway. So why not just simplify the situation? So that's our 990 nonprofit income tax organizer. Thank you again for watching this. If you have any questions, please feel free to send an email to support@equitybusinesssolutionsllc.com. We also offer after purchase technical support through that same email address. We hope you consider purchasing this organizer, and you can also see a complete list of what our marketplace offerings at the bottom of the listing for this organizer. Thank you very much, and I hope you have a great day.